Penn National Gaming facing unprecedented challenges, reporting better than expected second quarter revenue earlier this week. This quarter marked both COVID shutdowns and reopenings, and the stock has soared over the last 3 months. Joining us to talk about what is next for the company is Jay Snowden. He's the CEO of Penn National Gaming. And Jay, it's great to see you this morning.
Hey, good morning, Becky. How are you doing?
Good. Let's talk a little bit about what happened in the quarter, because the loss, you still reported a loss. I think it was $1.63 a share, and that comes after the loss of $1.69 a share after the loss of $5.26 in the quarter before that. But your revenue numbers were better than the street was expecting. And you've also talked about how you are really improving the margins that you're seeing because you've managed to really change the way you're operating the entire place. So let's talk a little bit about that. How are you operating? What are you seeing in terms of who's coming in?
Well, let's remember that last quarter earnings, when we reported, all 41 of our properties across the country had been shut down due to the pandemic. And now we have all but 2 of our 41 properties have reopened. So a lot has changed from first quarter earnings to second quarter earnings. And what we're seeing across the properties is that the vast majority of our properties in all of the different states were able to reopen at about 50%, 50, capacity of gaming positions. And you'll recall that in the gaming industry, it's very rare that we get beyond 50% capacity, other than those peak hours on weekends, holiday weekends like the 4th of July. So day in and day out, even having 50% capacity, we can get pretty close to prior year revenue levels. And we're offering a very safe and a fun environment. It's something to do. You get out of the house. Form of entertainment that there just aren't many of those available right now. So what we're seeing is that a lot of new customers are coming through our facilities. A lot of younger customers are coming through our facilities. They're signing up for our loyalty program. So we're really excited about being able to market to a new set of customers during these challenging times. And we're also seeing that there is a desire not just to play in the brick and mortar casinos, but we also offer online casino in Pennsylvania. And we had 108% growth from Q1 to Q2 with our online offering. So right now, I think what you're seeing in the marketplace is that there's not a lot of entertainment options. People are bored at home, and they're looking for something safe and fun to do, and we offer both of those.
You said that you usually only get about 50% occupancy anyway, except for the peak hours. Have traffic patterns been normal as to what they would have been a year ago, even though it may be a different customer mix?
Well, what we're seeing, Becky, is that visitation has not fully rebounded to where it was pre-COVID. We're getting about 70% of pre-COVID level or prior year visitation levels. But what we're seeing is that when people do come to the casinos or they do engage with us online, they're spending more time than they historically have. So we're seeing spend per visit increases of around 45% year over year.
Wow. I would guess it's pretty exciting to be able to get some of these younger people in, though. You think that that's something that will stick, that these are behaviors that will continue post-COVID?
I think it can. I think that our strategy as a company is to be the omni-channel leader in terms of gaming and sports offerings across the country. We operate in 19 states, which is more than any other company in the U.S. And as Contessa showed earlier, sports have been legalized in over 20 states. Online casino has been legalized in 6 states. There's pending legislation. There are ballot measures in this November in Maryland and Louisiana. And the way we look at it is whether you're 25 years old, 45 years old, 70 years old, and you like to bet on sports, which so many Americans do. It's fun. It's engaging. It makes watching a game so much more fun. Or you like to go into a brick and mortar facility, play on your mobile device. Whatever you like to do and however you like to engage with sports and casino offerings, we're going to be able to offer that to you as long as the legalization process continues to proliferate the way that it has over the last couple of years.